Okay. So, guys, this is my system, energy medicine, what I call. As I shared, why energy medicine we have talked about. I'll be telling you about my story tomorrow. Okay, why it all happened and why how I connected. So, as I shared my system, a little bit about my system. So, this easy energy medicine, what I call 4 minute easy energy medicine, is exactly a fusion of spiritual system as well as a life coaching system. So it's a integration of the spiritual as well as the normal world we live in. Okay, and that is what it's all about. So this normal thing is the life coaching system which I have. I'm a co-owner for that, which has been there in the world for around 20 years or so now, which has impacted lives of more than 5 lakh people now, 5 to 6 lakh people. Even top celebrities like Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, Hrithik Roshan have used this, and I'll be talking about it later on. I think I don't. I just wanted to give you a background how this system formed and what is the whereabouts of this system. That's what I wanted to share. Even Tony Robbins, the best coach in the world since history, since ages, he has praised that system. And the other system which I was talking about is the spiritual system with which I have changed my life, which you will know tomorrow, how I changed my life and why and all I did get into at this at all. Okay, so energy medicine, this system of mine contains 12 to 13 subsystems exactly, and I'll just share it with you. One is of them is every subsystem is in itself so powerful to get you results, complete results, but three of the top ones I will like to share it. Very important ones, especially here in this field. These are the most important ones. Okay, morning nectar energy medicine, what I call. Okay, the other one is knowledge energy medicine, knowledge about yourself. Okay, and about the world. Supreme energy medicine, knowing about the supreme power in the universe, from where you get the highest energy, which Miss Navi was asking. Okay, then there are 7 qualities energy medicine, 8 powers energy medicine. After using those 3 subsystems, this is a subsystem which is a result oriented system of these 3 things. 7 qualities you will be actually getting out this in this about yourself. 7 qualities and 8 powers. Okay, I will talk about it later. Energy states. Okay, and energy lines, these are the energy fields which I was will talk about. So these are, so it is almost 3 and 4 7. And then there's breath energy medicine, what you just experienced. So this is whatever you have done today, it is a basic level, but then I have each subsystem will go to the highest level, the different levels, which I do it when you become good at basic, and then we slowly enhance it. Each and every subsystem is in itself so powerful. Energy clock. So what is energy clock? It is exactly just like energy clock on the whole in the whole day, when your energies, what energies are high, when is your energy more high, and what time. This is represented by this. So if you can schedule your day along according to that energy clock, you will always, you can be in a very high level of energy, what Miss Nandi asked. Okay, so these are the subsystems of mine, and this is the outcome of my subsystem, which you will get of my system rather, at the end of the 5 days. Okay, you'll get ₹1,000,000 productivity and vitality, the best productivity and vitality out of the day, and I guarantee you that, provided you take actions according to my recommendations. That is very important, because if you don't do it, how would you be able to benefit out of it? How would you be able to experience whether it works or not? Then you will create a super daily routine out of your for your life in these 5 days. Okay, the best and the super most powerful daily routine. You'll get 7 qualities and 8 powers, which I will share if right now we have time. And you will have instant freedom from stress, anxiety, and fear. You will explore your incredible self and life. And you will explore, and this is a bonus, and but a $1,000,000 bonus which no other system can ever provide you. You'll explore the way to be forever healthy, forever wealthy, and forever happy for 21 births. Does any system, any kind of spirituality, or any kind of a thing, do you feel if you have clarity about the outcomes of a process, that makes it more successful? Type in clarity if you feel, if any, for any process you require to have clarity, and that only you are confident that it will be more successful. How many of you feel that importance of clarity? Please type in clarity. If you have each clarity, like for example, if you do a meditation yoga, especially Mr. Chandola, what you shared, and Mr. Rajendra and all, if you do a meditation or a yoga, what is the clarity of the outcome you will be getting out of that system? Do you have any clarity exactly what all would you get from that system? So Ms. Navi says clarity, the importance of clarity. What about others, Mr. Rajendra and Vicha? Do you feel that you have got complete clarity about what is the outcome of that, of your meditation? So Mr. Chandola, let me ask you, what is the clarity of your doing meditation and yoga? Have they written, provided you something in writing that this is the outcome you will get if you do this meditation? Anybody, if you use a process of meditation, yoga, or any process, any solution? Come on, guys, it's all about you. So if you feel that, so Chandola ji, what outcome you have got? I feel it is work in process. Medication looks complex and needs experience. Exactly. So that is what I meant to say, that the processes, all what we have actually not got that complete clarity. So just by meditation, we feel that it is just about getting peaceful and relaxed and calm. That is the most common outcome and most easy outcome of a meditation. How many of you feel that? Just type in. What I feel is, if you guys feel that there is only this clarity of getting relaxation, peace out of a meditation, just type in me. If you feel me, that you feel that exactly meditation just provides you peace and relaxation, just type in me. So I understand that. Yes. Okay. So, okay, cool. So guys, here you see, if this is the outcome that you get for every meditation, you will get peace, relaxation, that's it. And if somewhere you get an outcome of ₹1,000,000 productivity and vitality, a clarity of getting 7 qualities and 8 powers, a clarity of getting instant freedom, from complete freedom from stress, anxiety, and fear, removal of any disease, even incurable disease, out of your system, getting that clarity, removal of any relationship issues out of your system with clarity. Do you feel, and even for your career, and even for your finance, and even for yourself, do you feel this is clarity? If you feel this is clarity, type in new clarity, NC. Type in new concept or new clarity for NC. Okay, so Mr. Chandola says NC, cool. What about others? Mitali says new clarity. Great, guys. So that is what I wanted to mention here, that is why people are lost in spiritual processes. Everybody comes up with a spiritual meditation or anything. It has become a, like, where do people go? That is the pain. Just understand, when people are suffering, do they have got the time and the luxury to find out different meditations, what is better, what does not work? And everybody says that I am the best, and I provide relaxation and peace, that's it. But if you get a process which gives you complete clarity, that it is scientifically proven, it is even approved by doctors, and doctors are using that system, and you get clarity of getting 7 qualities and 8 powers, which are very much essential to live the best life of yours with full clarity. Okay, and every issue of yours can be sorted out. So this is the clarity which you would be working upon with this my system of easy energy medicine. Okay, so now I'll just look at the time and let me see if so it is. I'll not take too much time. It's already at 15. Thank you for your cooperation, guys. So let me just so first of all, I wanted to thank all of you for being responding to me. So that is so great that you are actually active and you are responding, because that speaks volumes about your commitment towards that, and I'm really really thankful for that. Just please hope let's we enhance it more and more till the end of 5 days with our high energy, increasing energy, and definitely we reap out the benefits which we really want and which we aspire to. So I'll just revise once again that it is an activity action based workshop. So guys, whatever task I had given you today to find out your goals, specifically what I shared with you with that thought process, that if I think I've shared that again, I'll repeat that if today is the last day for anybody, what is one thing that they will miss to, okay, in terms of task or interest or passion, only that. You found out your identity, you found out your top three priorities today: spirituality, health, success. Let me share three more things. Let us find out if who are the people with those identities, and then we'll close it off. How many of you feel that creativity or logic is one of your very important priorities, top six priorities of life? Creativity and logic. Okay, so Mitali says mine. What about others, guys? Anybody who feels that creativity or logic is your top priorities of your identity? So Purnima says me. Okay, great. So guys, I think you guys are actually understanding a bit about your identity today, which you have not been able to do since your birth. So we do so many things. We find out new technologies, new innovations. We give everything whole day towards our mobile phones, our technology, our laptops, gadgets. But have we ever taken out even some time for ourselves, who is the most important to us? Have we ever taken out enough time for ourselves, whom we love the most? That is the biggest irony of why we are having so many sufferings in life. Okay, so if you understand, what if there is any software engineer here or anybody who's into IT, or even normal basic computer knowledge as well. What you if you have a software and you don't know about the integration of that software or the content of that software, would you be able to get the desired output out of it? If you don't know about that system, would you be able to get the best benefits out of that? How many of you feel, type in no if you feel that you won't be able to use the system in the best way if you don't know about the system. So Mr. Rajen says, Ms. Navi says, yes, exactly, guys. Similarly, if you don't know about your system, how can you have the best life of yours? How can you manage yourself to the best? How can you take yourself to the best version of yourself, which I call incredible you? So that is the real goal which I want to move ahead in these 4 5 days. And I want support from all of you. If you agree to this point, just type in identity. You know about identity. Your identity is very important to understand how to have the best life in your life. And if you know about your identity or this about yourself, which I call identity, which I have different lines, I call it energy lines. Cool identity. Thanks, Navi. So energy lines, I call it in the energy language. Energy lines are those strong fields of energy, which you are asking, which I will share. If you always be in these energy zones or energy lines, you will be at much higher energy. because you were asking about Misavi high energy. So these are the places or zones wherein you will be high energy. If you talk about, if in your life you will be talking about your energy lines, you will always be more happy as compared to others, or you will be at higher energy. You will be doing great in your life. So all of you had this priority of spirituality, health, success, creativity. You will actually be enjoying all these areas. And let me come to the last two, and you will find out. Celebrity. How many of you want to become a celebrity in your field? Celebrity does not only mean superstar, or like you want to be the best in your field. That is a celebrity. It could be the best professional, becoming a CEO of your organization, or a senior level person in business. You can be one of the top guys in that, in your area, in your niche. So that is what a celebrity is. It does not only mean getting into Bollywood or being a superstar. You yourself are a superstar if you are doing your great in your career, great in your life. You are a celebrity. So how many of you want that celebrity status in your life? How many of you have priority? Okay, so Miss Navi says that. Okay, Mr. Rajendra says cool. So guys, write it all these things down. This will help you. I'll share it with you later on if we have time. This is your identity. There is a reason why we have connected, and this is the reason. And all you guys who have exactly those priorities, you will definitely work along with me for lifetime. I can tell you right now. The people who have exactly, who are coming up with these 6 attributes, either you believe it or not, you will definitely be connected more than a lot with me. I can guarantee you that. And you see, and you tell me later on that yes, Gaurav, exactly this is what is happening. I can guarantee you that. Or you will definitely be connected to me. You will connect with me somewhere or the other, or even the universe would help us to connect somewhere or the other. And that is why we have met today in this course. Out of so many coaches, you selected me even without knowing. Okay, so that is it. And finally, last thing, how many of you have entertainment as the top priority in the top 6 priority list of yours? Entertainment. Okay, so Miss Navi, you can type in. Okay, so she says me. What about others? Anybody who has entertainment as your top 6 priority? Entertainment could be anything, like you like to enjoy a bit definitely in your day or in your life, and you want to take out some time for your passions, interests. Okay, the remember the one thing which I initiated it with, that what if you have that energy even after doing all your tasks peacefully, effortlessly, and successfully, you are still left with the energy and time to enjoy with your family and have the energy for your passion and interests. Okay, so Miss Purnima, thank you. Yeah, we are just leaving it. So, how many of you did not share have entertainment as your, type in entertainment if it is your priority out of your top 6 priorities. Let me know a bit about you, all of you, and I can have a lot of resemblance with all of you, with our interests, with our likings, with the connections with people what we have. You can understand a lot about, as I told, it's an Aadhaar card which can connect with your whole life, with every aspect of your life. Okay, so okay, so Ms. Amita, Mr. Chandola, okay, cool, Ms. Navi, great guys. So I think you are exactly a copy of me in terms of personality, or especially if you have all these top 6 qualities. Okay, I'm telling you, you are exactly in terms of an identity. You are very much. We will be having a lot of kind of similarities in our interests, likes, and especially a lot many other things. So today, I think what I would like to share is, if you have found out your 6 priorities, if anybody, whatever priority you have found out, you have connected to, just try to be in that energy line in your day, and you see if you find out anything better as compared to others. Okay, like for example, if you have a spirituality as a priority, if you be in spirituality, just see if you find better doing that spirituality. You will find good in that. Whenever you are low, just use any of these 6 attributes and just see if you find better. So this is the second task for you, and please share your experiences. Okay. So one thing, a very small thing I would share. I think it's late, but I'm really sorry. Today we have to just buck up, guys. We have to just start at time early so that we can finish it up early. So let me uh, just a second. I'll show you. Should I? Uh, I think what is the time? Let me see. Oh, so I think let us do one thing and we move it off. So I'll just hang. Just give me a second. Yeah. So what I would like to share, as we came to know that is one solution to all problems we talked about. I'll be coming on to that. This is one of the. Acha, I think I should share one of my morning nectar energy medicine, and let me you guys let me enable you guys to taste it a bit. Okay, so this is a Dr. Donna, her name, and she and let me just share this one morning nectar energy medicine subsystem of mine, and then we close this session for today. Okay, it's a very 5 minutes video, uh, but I think it would give you some kind of a good super routine maybe. Just a second, I'll share the sound. Yeah, yes. So she's just I wanted to share about the morning thing with you. So Amrit Vela is waking up between 4 to 5 a.m. Okay, the time of 4 to 5 a.m. Sorry, sorry guys, just I'll just record. Yeah. So guys, that's it. Okay. So I think yes, we are done with it. I'm really sorry if we got late today, but from tomorrow, guys, let's start it from 6:50 or maximum 7, so that we are actually finish it by 8. I'll myself take care of it. Please do remind me also. So today I think we really clocked off the time. So let's do it. So guys, today the task for you guys is just all of you who have just seen the benefits of waking up early. Amrit Vela means waking up between 4 to 5 a.m. This is one of my subsystems, morning nectar, wherein there is a process which we'll be sharing tomorrow, which will help you to have the best health that out of the day. If
Sorry.
you do this process, sorry,
Hi,
okay.
Gaurav. We could not see the video that you shared.
Oh
We could
my
not see
God.
anything or hear anything.
So I think you did not. Oh, I'm really sorry.
No
So I
video was
think,
there for any of
okay,
us.
okay, okay.
Actually,
So
I
what
think you
I'll do
forgot
is,
to share it on the
no, no, no. I
screen.
share. Actually, I shared it, but maybe I had another share with it. So maybe that is why. So
Is it
let's do
possible?
this.
Mhm.
Yes. What I'll do is right now this doctor actually she. Acha, you could just see the audio.
We could not see or
Sorry,
hear
hear the audio.
anything. We could only
Okay.
see you. Okay.
Oh, I think it's a mistake. So what it is all about is about waking up early. The benefits of waking up early, the amazing benefits of waking up early. So what I'll do is I'll share that with you tomorrow. But what I would want all of you, if you wake up early, that is great. But even if you don't wake up early, just as an experiment, just on my recommendation, just try this out as a new thing. If you can wake up just even for 5 minutes between 4 to 5 a.m., 5 to 7 minutes, that's it. Just if you can wake up at that time, that is amazing. But if you cannot, even just try it out for by waking up at between 4 to 5 a.m. for 5 minutes. Just see if you can do that. Otherwise, we'll share the benefits of it tomorrow. There are amazing benefits. So, guys, please, if you it is possible, and the 3 tasks, please share it in the group. Report when you did it, your tasks and your experiences. Okay, and your goals and all whatever I shared. And I'll share a template with you that will help you. That is also another task, a very small task, not too much. It will be really helpful. So, good night, guys. Thank you so very much. I'm sorry today we got late. I think we got to work that out. So Mr. Sarajit says, thank you, Gaurav, for wonderful session. Thank you so much. I would love to have your feedback in the chat in the WhatsApp chat. Okay, it would love to understand me what I can do better. So guys, if if you found at least 1% beneficial, please share it in the group. So that will really give me the motivation to actually serve you much better in the 5 days. Okay, that acts as a dose to enhance your energy, to boost up your energy. Okay, so I'll be waiting for your feedbacks in the WhatsApp group. Good night. Okay, thank you, and hope to see you guys. If possible, in the group you can make out your accountability partners. That will help. So you can just, if you feel that you can just create any accountability partner for you, who takes care that you will join tomorrow on time. Bye bye. Good night. Take care.